How to connect your website to HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to do this through several different ways since it's a little bit vague, right? Question number one, how to set up a domain in HighLevel. Question number two, how to set up a WordPress site in HighLevel. Question number three, how to add specific HighLevel elements to your website that is not inside of WordPress. So I'm going to hop out of here into my demo account and show you some of this stuff. So we're over here inside my demo account of HighLevel. We're on the launch pad. First things first, you might want to add a domain to point to some of the things you can build inside of HighLevel, including WordPress or any of the funnels or websites that HighLevel has to offer. So what we would want to do is go into settings, then domains, and then add a domain like I've added here by clicking the blue button, typing in your domain, and then adding the DNS records to point to your HighLevel account. Once you've done that, you can verify, it'll verify, make sure all those records are correct in order to ensure that your domain is ready to be used. Then what you can do from there is you have these three dots. You can click on edit at any time, and you can make the default page point to any website or sales funnel to ensure that it's connected properly. The other thing you can do is you can go back here and we can go into sites. And then from sites, we have these options. We have funnels, we have websites, and we have WordPress. We also have stores, which is more or less e-commerce like Shopify. But the bottom line is if you decide to start with a funnel, you can pick any old funnel like this Form 0 that I was just showing you the domain was connected to. And then we also would go into settings for that funnel and make sure the domain is connected here. If we wanted to do a website, we could do a website. We just build a website, or in this case, let's say we use this demo website. Same thing would apply. We basically go into settings and then making sure that our domain is connected properly in settings for websites. Now the other option is you can host your WordPress site inside of HighLevel instead of using a third-party hosting setup, and they have world-class hosting here that's probably in line with something like WP Engine, and it's getting better and better, and they keep adding and making it more amazing. So you can activate it for approximately $15 a month, and then you can add a website that's WordPress based inside of your HighLevel account and attach it to your domain that you've added here inside of HighLevel as well. Then to answer that third question, we can add HighLevel specific elements to a website that is either WordPress or just HTML or on some other platform, as long as we can get into code or the HTML source code itself, right? And so what we can do is we can add a form, we can build a form. So I go to Forms Builder, and let's say we want to add this website contact form. We can click these three dots, and then what we can do is we can click the share button, or we can go into edit. I think edit's the best way to do it. And then once we're inside the form, when this is a form we want to add to our website, we can click on integrate, and then from here we can decide if it's going to be a sticky sidebar, a polite slide, and a pop-up, or inline. And then you have these trigger types, activation options, deactivation options, so you can configure it as any way you want, and then click this copy embed code, which essentially will put it into your website wherever you want to place it inside of HTML or wherever the source code may be. Okay, so that's how you can embed a form into any website. Then the other option would be to embed, of course, a survey, which works exactly the same way, so I won't show you that. Then we also have chat widget. So if we go into chat widget and we have a chat widget we want to embed, we could click on these three dots. We can go into edit, and then we can go into get code up here. So if we're happy with our chatbot the way it is, we click get code. We can get the script right here, and then we can put it in the body or the footer section of our website. So we can just copy and paste that into the source code of a website. If you're using WordPress, you can get it for WordPress by clicking get for WordPress, and then we would have to get the plugin for WordPress, which is called Lead Connector, as you see on the screen. Install that plugin, and then once we connect it using an API from your HighLevel sub account to your WordPress installation through this app, we can then select any of these things. We can select forms, surveys, chatbot, widget, etc. And so this is how we can connect your website or any website to HighLevel. These are the different ways and different means it can all happen. And again, I just wanted to share with you how this is possible. So that's pretty much all the different ways you can do it. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this video. As always, if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me a comment below this video. I'll do my best to answer for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive a high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the 297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.